In this video, I'm going to show you how to match downloaded bank transactions when using the bank feeds or the CSV upload option. Once in Kashflow, firstly, all we need to do is go to the bank module on the left-hand side of the screen. Once we're in the bank module, we can see next to the bank account, the option where it used to say activate has now changed to import. This will show where a bank feed or CSV upload facility has been set up. If we click on the import option, all we need to do is select a date range of the transactions that we want to import. Please note that the previous 30 days worth of transactions would have automatically been downloaded ready for you to match automatically. Once we choose the date range and select the Retrieve Transaction button, it will import the bank statement for that given period. Please note that we will only import the previous 30 days worth of transactions. These will be downloaded automatically, and if you are using this option, please note that if you go outside the 3 months rule, then you'll have to import a CSV upload or manual entries will be required. We can see that all the transactions for the date range I selected between the start and end of April have been uploaded into the matching screen. In here I can see the date, description and whether it was money coming in or money going out of my bank. We do have an auto assign rule, so I can see on this screen that the money coming in for 2050 have been matched against invoice number 1 for £2,050. If for any reason this match is incorrect, all you need to do is hit the cross button and that will bring up the matching option again. If we click on the match button, we can now go and select the correct invoice that's for and then hit the assign button in the bottom right, and we can now see that that has been assigned to invoice number 2. Our process is to input sales invoices into Kashflow and assign payment. But if you want to be as time efficient as possible, you can also use the Create a Sales Invoice option, and please refer to the video on bulk invoice receipts. If you are registered for a flat rate scheme, then the VAT rate should be NA for expenses and payments. Where these transactions are sat, money going out, we have the match button in the middle, and if we hit match, all we do is hit the create button at the top and then select the transaction option. If you would prefer to use the purchase invoice option, please feel free, but we do not recommend this. If I select transaction, all I need to do is select the code that this needs to be assigned against and then choose the relevant VAT rate. Again, if you're registered for flat rate scheme, then it should be set at NA for expenses and payments. If you are on standard VAT scheme, then the VAT rate is 20% if the VAT receipt invoice is held. If it is not held, then you should set this at 0%. Please use NA for dividends, salary and HMRC payments. And please refer to the MBT VAT guidance note for further assistance. If I hit create, that transaction has now been matched to the right place in the bookkeeping software. An important thing to note is when you're creating and matching transactions, make sure that you click on the Import Now option at the top right hand side of the screen to import these. Otherwise, the work you have done will be lost. Once all matched, the balance on the import screen should match Kashflow, and there is no need to use the reconcile feature. For any questions on matching transactions, please contact us on helpme@microbusinessteam.com. Give us a call on 0203 397 4025, and please watch the next setup video, Creating Matching Rules to be more time efficient.